Well, we turn our focus now to the custody battle that we have been following very closely in Tangipahoa Parish. The judge has ruled a child conceived from a sex crime won't live with either her mother or her father. Katie Moore explains why the judge ruled the way he did.
Krista Abelseth and John Barnes have been battling over custody of their 15-year-old for more than a decade. But a Tangipahoa Parish judge ruled that the teen will continue to stay with an independent family and that the mother will get limited visitation. Abelseth was asking for sole custody after the judge had granted sole custody to the teen's father in March. Abelseth was 16 when she became pregnant by John Barnes, who was 30 at the time. If a child is conceived through a sex crime, Louisiana law allows a judge to terminate the father's parental rights. But in this case, Judge Jeffrey Cachet refused to do that, writing in his ruling, quote, "While Mr. Barnes has admitted that a sex offense has occurred that resulted in the conception of the minor child, the court is of the opinion that terminating a legal relationship with a parent with whom the minor child has resided for roughly 2/3 of her life over a decade would not be in her best interest." The judge did prohibit Barnes from having contact with the teen unless and until the teen wants contact with him. Barnes' attorney did not respond to a request for comment, and Abelseth's lawyer said they're deciding whether to appeal and that Abelseth is disappointed that the teen will permanently remain with another family. However, quote, "She is very happy that the child will no longer be subject to visitation with Mr. Barnes."
And that was Katie Moore reporting. Abelseth reported the alleged rape to the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office several years ago, but the case just sat on the shelf, something Sheriff Daniel Edwards admits they dropped the ball on. Katie reached out to them last night about whether they will charge Barnes with a crime now that you have a judge saying that he thinks that Barnes broke the law, but they didn't get back to her.